Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am from Allied School Superior Bahri Campus Lahore. Class 5 English. Unit 5 lesson number 1 page number is 26. There is a sample of an email. This email is written by Maria to Judy. In this email there are some blanks. We are given two options to fill the blanks. Let's start the reading of this. Dear Judy, thank you for your long email all about yourself and your family. Good luck with your Italian lessons. If you like, I will send you a CD of some Italian songs. I am attaching some photos of my family. If they don't come through, tell me and I will send them again. This weekend we are going to visit my uncle and aunt who live by the sea. It's my aunt's birthday, so we will have a lunch party. Next term I am going to take dancing lessons. I already do gym and go to drama club, so I'm sure I will enjoy it. My grandmother has just arrived for supper. I will email you again soon. I promise. Love, Maria. Students, note down all the blanks on your book page. Come to the question number 2. Choose the correct word to complete the sentences. There are three options to choose the correct ones. Number 1, Maria went into the computer room and switched on the power supply on the wall. Number 2, she moved mouse around the pad and clicked on the right box. Number 3, she put her fingers on the keyboard and began to type the email. Number 4, then she turned on the printer. She wanted to print out her email. Number 5, finally she connected to the internet and sent off her email. Number 6, it went down the phone line. Saira found it in her inbox the next day. So this is the end of the page number 26. Now come to the next page. Page number is 27. Unit 5, Lesson 2. Question number 1. Read the notes about the magic dragon. Now answer the question in your notebook using after. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. उन ऑप्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखने हैं. Now format your notebook with date and day. Question number 1. It is an example to understand what to do with the next question. When did the dragon land on the mountain? It landed on the mountain after it had reached Earth. Question number 2. When did it breathe on the snow? It breathed on the snow after it had landed on the mountain. Question number 3. When did it drink the water? It drank the water after it had breathed the snow. Question number 4. Did it see some smoke before or after it had drunk the water? It saw some smoke after it had drunk the water. Question number 5. Did it hear a cry for help before or after? It heard a cry after it had put out the fire. Number 6. When did it rescue a climber? It rescued a climber after it had heard a cry for help. Number 7. When did it fly into the air again? It flew into air again after it had rescued a climber. Note down all the question answers on your notebook. Now come to the question number 2. Rewrite the sentences in the passive as in the example. Let me tell you what is passive voice sentences. In passive voice sentences, the thing receiving the action is the subject of the sentence, and the thing doing action is usually mentioned at the end of the sentence. Check the example. First, they fry the onions with the garlic. In passive voice sentence, we have to write first the onions are fried with the garlic. Now come to the next one. Then they beat the eggs in a bowl. Then the eggs are beaten in the bowl. Number 3, they eat pancakes in winter. Pancakes are eaten in winter. They freeze the ice creams in the cold store. The ice creams are frozen in the cold store. Number 5, they grow wheat in the USA. Wheat is grown in the USA. Number 6, they build large storerooms for the wheat. Large storerooms are built for wheat. Number 7, they sell the wheat later in the year. The wheat is sold later in the year. Now students, come to the English grammar work. Format your notebook, draw a margin line. At the top of the line, you have to write down story writing. On the next line, the topic of the title of the story, try again. So let's start the reading of the story. Long ago, the King of Scotland, Robert Bruce, decided to free his nation from British rule. But at every battle, he was defeated badly by his enemy. He got disheartened and disappointed. बहुत पहले अरसे की बात है कि स्कॉटलैंड का एक बादशाह था. उसने अपनी नेशन को ब्रिटिश हुकूमत से आज़ाद कराने का फैसला किया, लेकिन उसको शिकस्त हुई. He got disheartened and disappointed. वो बहुत मायूस हुआ. Escaping his enemy, he ran into a forest with some of his soldiers. अपने सिपाहियों को दुश्मन से बचाने के लिए खुद और सिपाहियों को लेकर वो एक गार में छुप गया, जंगल में. While he was lying there thinking about his defeat, जब वो गार में लेटा हुआ अपनी शिकस्त के बारे में सोच रहा था, वहीं छत पे उसको एक स्पाइडर नजर आया जो कि जाले में से नीचे गिरा. Spider hurriedly started to climb once more. उसने दोबारा चढ़ना शुरू कर दिया जल्दी से. बादशाह इसको बहुत केयरफुली देख रहा था. Again it fell down before reaching its home. दोबारा अपने घर तक पहुंचने से पहले वो गिर गया स्पाइडर. The spider failed a number of times. वो बहुत दफ़ा नीचे गिरा, अपनी कोशिश में नाकाम होता रहा. It kept on trying again and again. लेकिन वो अपनी कोशिश को जारी रखे हुए था बार बार. At last on its 90th attempt, it was successful to reach. अपनी 9वीं कोशिश में वो कामयाब हो गया. The king got the lesson. बादशाह को इसकी कोशिश से सबक मिला. This time he and his soldier fought with great courage and achieved freedom for their nation. इस दफ़ा उसने और उसके सिपाहियों ने हिम्मत के साथ जंग लड़ी और अपनी कौम के लिए आज़ादी हासिल कर ली. At the end of the story, there are 5 moral. Try again. Hard work never goes unrewarded. Keep on trying till you succeed. God helps those who help themselves. वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे। ये 5 मॉरल्स हैं। इन 5 मॉरल्स के अकॉर्डिंग यही स्टोरी आप लिख सकते हो। So students, this is the end of our lecture. Allah Hafiz.